How to fix YouTube recommended videos showing huge thumbnails. So if you want to fix your YouTube recommended videos showing huge thumbnails, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply go with your browser, search for Chrome Web Store, click on it, and search for uBlock Origin. Click the first result and make sure to add it to your browser, whichever browser you're using. Go with Add Extension, wait for the extension to be downloaded. Once done, you need to go with the extension, and here you need to go with Settings, and you need to go with My Filter, and click on Custom Filters. You'll have two options, which is Enable My Custom Filters or Allow Custom Filters Requiring Trust. So go and turn the option of Allow Custom Filters Requiring Trust. Once you click that, you need to go with Custom Filters, and then here you need to click on Import or Export. Here you need to paste the code, which I'll give you in the description below. Once you've pasted, you will get this kind of interface. After pasting, make sure that you click on Apply or Add. And once you've added, go back to your YouTube, do a hard refresh. In MacBook, you can click on Command-Shift-R. In Windows, you can click on Control-Shift-R. Your YouTube homepage should now look normal. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.